Good morning and happy Friday. In today's video, I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I have a lot of errands to run. It is super hot in this car right now. Like, I wanna cut the air on, but I don't want it to affect my sound. First things first, I have to stop at the UPS store because I bought a package that I need to return. So let me show you guys this. I did buy this off of Amazon, and I think you can actually get this from Walmart. I will say, if you have my textured hair, I'm going to tell you not to buy this product because I have tried every single attachment with this product and it doesn't work. If you're dead set on buying the Dyson, because this is just the dupe, if you're dead set on buying the Dyson for like $600, do it. But yeah, for me, just trying this, I'm good. It did not work. When I tried to wrap my hair and curl it, it didn't even pick up my hair. And then when I wrapped it myself, it still didn't work. Then I need to go to the grocery store because I need to pick up some food for my kids. And I'm trying to think of something else. I need to make 2 more stops. Oh, I need to go to the bank, and then I need to stop at the jewelry place because my ring is still under warranty. You have to get your ring inspected. Let's get this party started. And I'm trying to decide, do I want Starbucks or not? Well, let's go. I had to change my hoodie because it got way too hot. So I did get my ring inspected and everything looked great, so I'm super happy about that. I am going to continue on my journey, but I am hungry. So should I get tacos or In-N-Out burger? Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Doing well, how are you?
Doing good, thank you for asking. What would you like today?
Can I get a cheeseburger animal style?
Yeah.
And then can I get animal style fries as well? And then can I get a Dr. Pepper, please?
Yeah, would that be a medium?
Yes, please.
Okay.
And that's it.
Will this be for in your car to go?
In my car.
Okay. It'll be 10:37 at the first window.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a nice day.
You too, thank you. Hello.
Today,
Yes.
request your free Natashia'S metals
You can switch it
investment.
out shortly,
Thank
okay?
you.
833-404. 833-404.
Burger, 1 fry?
Perfect, thank you. Let's take a bite of these fries. It is so hot. What I wanted. Thank goodness I don't go on dates anymore. All of the bags are secured. Kids, mom's home. Mom's home. Hi, handsome. Mommy's home. You guys, it is so hot outside, but let me give you guys a quick, I'll unbag everything just to show you guys what I got. Of course, this was everything for my kids, otherwise known as my 2 guinea pigs. I have Alf and Arlo. I have not been feeling like myself, so I did get myself some flowers. Sometimes you just have to treat yourself. And then this bag for the kids. So I do get them 1 thing of green leaf lettuce, 4 cucumbers. Oh, I got this for myself. That's the first bag. Second bag. They also have celery, so I chop all this up. I got 2 romaine lettuce. The last bag consists of peppers, yellow, red, and orange. This is parsley. And then we have cilantro for them. So with all this, I paid $34.59. Can we go back to the days when I only paid like $17 for my fresh veggies for nugget? Like, can we go back to those days? So I'm gonna clean everything for the kids. I'm gonna put this in the fridge because this is gonna be for my TikTok. I'm gonna feed them because they're looking at me. Hi, handsome. Say, Mom, can you feed us, please? We're hungry. Before I feed my kids, I do try to clean their cage out because you already know they go to the bathroom a lot. And I ended up buying a small vacuum cleaner. It's okay. You got all this hay on you. You wanna say hi to my friends? You're okay, handsome. Alf is afraid of the vacuum cleaner. It's okay, precious. Mommy just had to clean out your house. I just cleaned out your house. Ooh. Look at this yummy food. I'm coming. I'm coming. Let me put your house back. I had to put your house back. Okay, Arlo, let me go get your food. Come on, Arlo. Come on, little guy. Hi. And then we are still prepping. It's now 2:47. Look what we got done. They're ready to go. This is what I do. I usually do this on Sunday, and I may have to do it again maybe like Tuesday, but this should last. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I woke up at 7, and so I'm like this when I wake up, and it's only 3:14. I have to pick my husband up at 4. I'm not gonna do anything for the rest of the day. I might just watch a movie and that's it. So I don't wanna bore y'all. And I just wanna remind you guys, I am a homebody. When I go out for a reason. I grab my stuff and I get out of there. Another thing is I'm still not comfortable vlogging in public, and I don't know when I'm gonna get comfortable, but I'm still not comfortable. So I think that makes it difficult to show you guys like when I'm in places, and also too, people don't like to be recorded, which I have to respect that as well. I have been posting to my TikTok, so make sure you check those videos out. You guys, I'm just in a weird time right now. I'm so sorry, and maybe it's my age. Maybe I'm just going through a crisis. Nugget passing anniversary is coming up, and I am an emotional mess. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me. I had so much fun today. The In-N-Out definitely got me sick because I typically don't eat like this, but it was so worth it. So leave a comment down below if you guys have an In-N-Out. What do you order? So you guys have a wonderful evening, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.